My name is Mital Kotak. I am Shivansh's father. He is 6 years old. I always wanted to give my son the best upbringing and skills. One of the life-saving skills, swimming, is what I wanted to ensure he knows very well. We heard about Michael Phelps swimming at Ileseum Club, Ganga legend. Shivansh was 5 years old when we took our first free trial class, and I still remember it took 40 minutes during the trial. The patience, emotional understanding which the coaches showed is just beyond any words, and based on the experience of the trial session, I was convinced and enrolled my son for Michael Phelps Learn to Swim program. It's an absolute delight to see the progress, and I am happy to see him swim with great confidence. The comfort factor for us was friendliness of instructors, and most importantly, it is a well-structured program where we as parents understand their progress and path. I'm extremely happy with the decision of enrolling him here for swimming coaching. It is just a full package. However, it takes a lot of efforts as a parent to bring our children regularly for their training sessions. It's all worth it at the end when you see them progress with a happy face. It is going to be memorable, the time we spent with kids, the friends we made, and we are going to cherish this for all our life. Thank you.